Hello everyone, it's 4G Demon. I'm here making a video and I'm sorry that it is very late and it is 9 p.m. I just wanted to make a video for no reason, just because I really wanted to show you my project that I was working on, that I just started working on today. The day went by really fast, everyone. And guys, I gotta tell you about something. Once you build a volcano that's made out of netherrack entirely, you gotta just give it some decor, give it a little gold blocks. You should give it some mini lava pools and destroy some netherrack blocks and throw a little nether quartz. And then there's like 14 lava pools in total. I know that's way too much. And I just really want to get 1,000 views and get 20 subscribers. That is my goal right now. I'm making another lava pool. Going to be placing that. And then you gotta add some magma for the outline, and then just place some lava in it until it is static. And I also gotta tell you something that does not make sense. Once you fall in a cauldron, it damages you. How does that not save you? And a drop of water, it does. How does that drop of water save you when a full cauldron of water saves you? And if you put an enderman in a cauldron with water, he doesn't even take damage. And once he goes in a drop of water, it hurts him. That's pretty much the same thing. The last thing that doesn't make sense I said. Sorry that the thing that just popped up. It was very weird stuff. But let's not worry about that and continue. You just gotta place netherrack all around the volcano, just so it feels like a real volcano. And this is the biggest project I've ever made, and this is day one of it. I know. I used 2 friends to help it. Gorillas239 and Warden King. I don't know the numbers of his name. And this is his gas cloud that he made. I helped to make it. The lava stuff is my stuff that I built. And his 2 dragons are called Gassy and Gassy Jr. And there's a big monster in there called El Sacho. He probably wants to be fed soon. And this place is so high up. It's at cloud level. And the dragon, he killed the dragon 50 years ago. And I also did a 360. And guys, I'm working very hard on my videos. So you better give it a lot of views, or else you're in my butt. And I'm just placing some nether stuff all around the place, and then you can bone meal it. Just giving it some detail. I call this the Maroon Stone Volcano. This is the second world of Cool Vesa. And guys, If you find my name, it is Jupiter King 15, and if you find it, it will be my profile is a villager, and you could just friend me, and I'll friend you back. And you could join my server. I'm working really hard on this thing, and this is the biggest project I've ever made. And there's a big lava crater where a dragon is. You see that big pool of lava? That's where it is. I really wish I could stream and let you decide what I should build as for trees, for nether trees, like I'm trying to make this look like iBuyX Toy Cat nether volcano video. I really wish I could watch it, but it's going to ruin the entire video if I do. This must be my own video, and I will not let that happen. And if you play Roblox and Minecraft like I do, like and subscribe. And I'm not scamming you. Oh no. Gotta change the weather to clear. Because I don't like rain, and it destroys my and it interrupts the volcano. Sorry if the sign is still there. And what should I get? If I were an item, what would I be? Sorry if you hear my family members. Once I hit 4 million subscribers, I'll tell you my age and stuff, and that's probably gonna be it. And I'll tell you my nickname. You'll have to find clues all around the videos. So I will say, actually I'm not going to say my nickname. I'm just going to say C for this video as our first clue. So what should I use? Whoa, what's this? New dry grass? I should place this all around because the dry grass, it became dry grass because of the eruption. This video is about 11 minutes long, and so that makes it my second longest video, with my first being 15 minutes and 8 seconds. This is the progress so far. Going to show you the top in a little bit. And this is what the top looks like. The volcano is so big right now. There's also a secret room. If you friend me, and if there's a secret room, then you could friend me. And like earlier, tell me your name so I could friend you in Minecraft. Only if you play Minecraft, the game that I'm playing right now. I have a few add-ons right now, and they are insane. I'll tell you some of the most insane ones. Spry Conquest, a Minecraft movie add-on, Dragonfire Light, and the Dawn Era. The Dawn Arrow is my favorite because of the Tyrannosaurus Rex they got. It adds 50 new mobs to the game. I don't even know why there's so much lava pools. If you see like lava pouring down into one of my lava pools, that's coming from the gas cloud that I showed you earlier. Like I said again, break some netherrack blocks and just throw in a bit nether gold ore blocks and nether quartz blocks. I'm not using that right now. And bye!